Hello everyone! So today, the Amethyst one will share with you about computer network. First of all, let's get to know our group. Our group consists of 5 students of HA1, which are Alisa, Maisarah, Aqilah, Ain, and not to forget Adam. We would like you guys to explore a little something about computer network with us. Now, let's get started with the definition. What is computer network? Computer network is a system that connects two or more computer devices for transmitting and sharing information. Now let's take a look at some of the examples of devices used in computer networking.
Now, let's talk about the history and development of computer network. Well, some of you guys might wonder, who was the person that proposed the first idea of computer network? When was it invented? And how is its development going? Without further ado, let's dive into it. Over the decades, many changes of computer network have been made starting from the 1960s until the era of 2000s. In his 1961 paper titled Information Flow in Large Communications Nets, Leonard Kleinrock put out the concept for ARPANET, one of the first computer networks. On October 29, 1969, at 10:30 p.m., the first data transmission was sent and officially launching the internet into existence. In 1971, Ray Tomlinson sent the first email. This shows an improvement that is time efficient compared to the traditional way. In 1973, SATNET, the first global network connection, is launched. Next, in 1981, the first significant release of the Internet Protocol was IPv4. Then in 1986, the National Science Foundation Network (NSFNet) went live. Development of computer network showed a rapid improvement in the 1990s and in the 2000s. In 1996, IPv6 was released as an upgrade to IPv4 that included a broader range of IP addresses, better routing, and inbuilt encryption. In January 2003, 802.11g devices became on sale to the general public, offering transmission rates up to 20 megabytes per second. In 2004, the WPA2 encryption system was released as an upgrade to and successor for WPA. In January 2018, the Wi-Fi Alliance unveiled WPA3 encryption for Wi-Fi, which features security upgrades over WPA2. These variations of invention should be recognized and appreciated as it brings many eases to the present day. As a summary to the long talk, ARPANET was the first ever computer network introduced in the 1960s. Then, in the 1980s, National Science Foundation Network (NSFNet) came online. Lastly, the modern computer network that has been used until this current moment, which is the Internet, was initiated in the 1990s and had been improved throughout the years.
So right now, I'm going to talk about the objective of why the computer network is invented. So the first one is the cost saving. We take the mainframe computer as an example. So mainframe computer has affected the business world since it is the main reliance to process thousands of transactions. This not only improves performance but also saves money. And the second one is the reduction of errors. Networks reduce errors by ensuring that all parties acquire information from a single source, even viewing it from different locations. Backup data provides consistency and continuity. It means that if you have the backup data, you can review it from time to time to detect the errors. And the third one is the resource sharing. This is the main objective of the computer network. Any information can be obtained by everyone anytime and everywhere. So you don't have to actually go physically to the location just to get the data, because the goal is to provide all the program data and hardware is available to everyone on the network without regard to the physical location of the resource and the users. So we can see that the computer network has made our life much simpler than before. And the last one is a high reliability. So it notifies the users the details of the information that has been sent and the estimated time to complete the process of sending. So it also achieved by replicating the files on 2 or more machines. So it can, in case of unavailability, the other copies can be used. So you don't have to be panicked. I think that's all for the objective of why the computer network is invented.
Next,
Let's look at different types of computer network. Some of computer network types are PAN, LAN, and WAN. PAN stands for Personal Area Network. This kind of network is utilized on a private level. It is a tiny network that is used to link personal computers, tablets, and mobile phones. They communicate with one another utilizing wireless technologies including NFC, Bluetooth, and infrared. But a wired connection like a USB cable can also be used to connect them. Secondly, LAN, which stands for Local Area Network. A local area network is a group of devices such as computers, servers, switches, and printers which are located in the same building. LAN can be wired communication, which is connected by Ethernet LAN, and wireless local area network, which is connected by a Wi-Fi router. Alternatively, they are close to one another, such as in a home or in an office. And lastly, WAN stands for Wide Area Network. A WAN is the largest type of network, combination of local area network and metropolitan area network. It is a network that spans over a large geographical area such as a country, continent, or even the entire globe. For example of wide area network is the internet.
Computer network has been used widely today as it has many advantages such as ease of accessibility, flexibility, security, and great storage capacity. For ease of accessibility, modern computer networks are easy to explore, so even if you are a kid or a person new to technology, you will find it easy to connect. Nice flexibility means that different people will be able to explore different things as per their requirements. For example, email or messaging apps like WhatsApp, so there is flexibility for different users. Next is security. Computer networks provide security through authorization. Authorization is done via user ID and password, so it ensures that when we log in, we are only able to do it when there is a perfect match between our details and the details stored in the database. Next, great storage capacity. Organizations have an abundance of data that needs to be stored. For that purpose, they are required to store them in a central server. So if in case one loses the data, others have it. However, computer networks also has its own disadvantages, which are lack of robustness, spread of computer virus, lack of productivity, and health issues. First, computer networks rely on the main server called the central server. If the central server malfunctions or there is an issue in the central server, then the entire network would stop functioning. Next, spread of computer virus. As computers in a network are interconnected, there is a high probability that if one of the computers is affected by the virus, others too can get affected. Other than that, lack of productivity, since a network has a lot of advantages and applications, it is certain that it results in simultaneous use of many services that cause distractions. And lastly, health issues. Computer network provides access to services including entertainment, gaming, and movies. This results in making you addicted to the content and thus results in overuse of these services. This excessive screen time makes you lethargic, causes eye strain and body pain. Those were pretty much some basic knowledge about computer network that we didn't know before but we do now. We hope you guys enjoy and gain something. That's it for now. See you later. Bye.